Okay, let's look model number 3. So here I've only made a difference by putting a battery of value VR in this sort. Rest everything is same to the model number 1. So you can see what will it will create a difference, that when Vi will be less than equal to VR, this VR, if this Vi will be there, will be very less than equal to VR, then what will happen? Diode will be off because P is less than N, and if diode will be off, this whole branch will be disappeared and Vi will be equal to V0. Okay, and when Vi is greater than VR, this voltage is greater than this voltage, P voltage is greater than N voltage, then diode will be on, and if diode will be on, this value will be VR equal to V0. Okay, I hope you can see, because it will become short circuit, and if it will become short circuit, this point and this point voltage is VR, which will be same as V0. Okay, so that is how the transfer characteristics will look like. Vi will be equal to V0 will be equal to Vi until it reaches the value VR. It is a positive value. Okay, and as soon as Vi reaches beyond VR, V0 will become VR. Okay, so it is a similar concept, just I have added one battery. So this is third model. So output characteristics, how it will look like. So if you will give an input like this Vi, at the output you will get something like this. So the part of input signal above VR will be clipped. Okay, so this is the third model. We'll move on now. Okay, now let's look at fourth model. I've just flipped the arrangement of diode. Now it is upside down. Rest it is similar to model number 3. So now VR is connected to P, and this dot above N terminal, this is connected to V0 plus. Okay, so this is the arrangement, and this is the fourth model. So now what will happen, if Vi will be less than VR, okay, this Vi will be less than VR, diode will be on, and if the diode will be on, it will be short, and V0 will be equal to VR. Similarly, when Vi will be uh, greater than VR, okay, sorry, this should be equal to, should be here. Okay, so in on condition, equal to is there. Sorry, it was okay. In off condition it is there. If Vi is greater than equal to VR, sorry about that. Okay, Vi is greater than equal to VR, diode will be off. Vi is greater than equal to VR, this diode will be off. If this is off, Vi will be equal to V0. Okay, so that is how it will work. So equal to sign always comes with off condition. That is what you have to remember. And then this is how the characteristics will look like, transfer characteristic Vi V0. So Vi uh, till Vi equal to VR, V0 equal to VR, till VR till Vi equal to VR, V0 will be equal to VR. As soon as Vi increases VR, V0 becomes equal to Vi. Okay, so this is the transfer characteristics, and this is the output characteristic. If you will give input like this, so it will clip the part of input signal below VR, and it will pass the part of input signal above VR. Okay, so this is how the output signal will look like, and if you will provide this input signal. Okay, so this is the model 4. Now we will look what will happen when VR will be negative. Okay, okay, let's look at model number 5. So now the VR value is negative, and a diode is connected in this fashion. So when Vi will be less than equal to minus VR, when this voltage, this point potential is less than minus VR, then diode will be off, and in that case V0 will be equal to Vi. Similarly, when Vi will be greater than minus VR, diode will be on, and V0 will be equal to minus VR. Okay, since it is connected to a negative positive. Okay, so V0 will be minus VR. So now curve will transfer characteristic will look like this. as soon as till Vi is equal to minus Vr, V0 will be equal to Vi. As soon as Vi crosses minus Vr, V0 becomes equal to minus Vr. Okay, same. And this is how the output characteristics will look like. If you will give the sinusoidal input at the input, uh, then output will look like this. So this is the sinusoidal curve, but it is only passing this part. Okay, so below minus Vr, the circuit is passing the signal, and above minus Vr value, it is clipping the signal. Okay, so input signal. So that is how the curves will look like. And now by this time you might have known what will be the next circuit. Okay. Okay, let's look at the sixth model. So now the diode is upside down. Okay, Vr is negative again. So when Vi will be less than minus Vr, Vi will be less than minus Vr, the diode will be on, and if the diode will be on, V0 will be minus Vr. Similarly, if Vi is greater than or equal to minus Vr, then the diode will be off, and in that case V0 will be equal to Vi. And that this is how the curve will look like. Okay, so till Vi is minus Vr, V0 is equal to minus Vr. As soon as Vi becomes greater than minus Vr, V0 becomes equal to Vi. Okay, this is how the transfer characteristic will look like, and this is how the output characteristic will look. Above minus Vr, the circuit will pass the input signal, and below minus Vr, the circuit will clip the input signal. Okay, so this is the sixth model. Still we are in shunt clippers. Okay, so I will conclude all six models now. So now I'll make the conclusion. So first point is, when the diode is connected in downward direction, it means in this fashion, then the signal will be transmitted below the reference signal. Okay, and second, when the diode is connected in upward direction, that means in this fashion, then the signal will be transmitted above the reference signal. Okay, so downward direction means below the reference voltage it will be passing the signal, and upward direction means above the reference voltage it is passing the signal. So remember, when we were not having any reference voltage, in this way, then the reference voltage here is 0. Okay, so above 0 or below 0 it will pass. So I hope you got the feel how shunt clipper works. Okay, now we will move on to series clippers.